Okie dokie. Walkies for 5 minutes. I'm even going to walk without my stick, which is going to be really fucking dodgy. But, sod it. I'm trying to become less dependent on the stick. I am getting to a point now where I can actually walk around and I'm carrying the walking stick, not the mountaineer one, but the actual walking stick, and not using it all the time. Whereas even just a couple of weeks ago, it was essential for anything outside the house. Should have brought me walking stick. Oh dear. God, that's spicy. That's the first time I've not finished food in ages. Holy crap. All I can see down there of the, it looks a lot lighter than it really is. Fucking autocorrect on the phone. I can barely see anything down. I can see like a little white thing. The phone holder. Holy crap. Wow. You can actually see the estuary over there. That's Minehead. Minehead. And that hill across there. Shh! Top secret bunker that no fucker's meant to know about. Apart from everybody who lives here. It's a lot like that top secret underwater entrance only nuclear submarine base that no one knows about in Dartmouth. Fuck's sake. It's only everybody in the area that knows about it. Shush, don't tell anyone. Every fucking house. Like RAF Mensworth Hill, where the RAF are not allowed to go. Because that darkness is coming in so fast, I don't want to go any further than this conveniently placed tree. Hello, conveniently placed tree. Okay, it's dryish. Also very rotten. Please don't break. Rotten and perfect fucking height for my ass. What's really, really annoying that no one would ever comment about on social media or on telly is that that's where the sun set. That's west. I can't remember if it was 5 years ago or 10 years ago, the planet's rotation stopped at the core and it messed up all the electronics. Magnetic north got reversed. But check it out, it's actually a fact. It's a bit weird because according to science, or they, we're meant to have all gone floating off into space, but we didn't. See, the actual planet's still spinning. It's going to take about 20 odd years from that point for it to actually affect the surface spin. The internal spin stopped and then restarted in the opposite direction. I think that's why they reckon everyone's going to be dead in 2026 or 2027, October, they said. Oh, on the surface anyway. But yeah, that's west. Used to be. Not anymore. So, this is really nice up here. I mean, I am very tempted because this is where I was first. Okay, the first time I tried pitching a hammock, it ripped. My own stupid fault. But the first time I actually properly pitched and slept overnight, the whole night without crashing. Oh, don't break, don't break, don't break. Banksy tree was up here. It was just there. A little clump of trees there. I mean, it would be a nice place to come and pitch. There's nowhere to really do food. Because that was back when I was still using my little titanium cooker stove thing, which I still use at the weekends and sometimes if I go out for a lunch, have a little picnic. But I mean, camping up here right now, the view would be fucking awesome. Down there, there's no view. Not really. You see a lot of weird lights in the night on that hill. Generally, as soon as it goes dark, proper dark, the sun went down an hour ago. As soon as it goes proper dark, that gets really busy. I have tried recording it in the past, and you get fuzzy lights and a lot of static. That's what we can see, but the noise is horrendous. So yeah, and it's that hill across there. It gets really busy at night. Helicopters and all sorts of shit going on. Yeah, up here would be nice. It's just, I'm more concerned about getting my ass bitten by a sheep. And the hammock getting, ripped by a sheep, biting it or something. It's a little issue. But these trees are kind of perfect for the hammock. Got a fucking headache now. Bloody food. Yeah, I should have, I don't know, maybe not have that sachet. Because I've been mixing it together, having that sachet of extra really spicy stuff in with it. I think that's basically overdosing me on spicy. Okay. Wander back down the hill. Oh, I intended to go up there. Just a little bit further. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Are there any songs that are not about sex? I mean, the only song that ABBA ever did that wasn't about fucking school children was about terrorism. Fernando, I think it was called. Yeah, Fernando. Yeah, aside from Fernando, they're all like fucking school children. And most of them, virgin school children. It's not too bad this time of the year, but concern. Whoa, freaky mushrooms. Ooh, that's oh yeah, my breathing is bad. They could actually be ones that I planted. Well, spawned. They're yellow oyster mushrooms. You don't normally get them growing wild, but I've had them in the past, and I actually brought some up, some stems, and scattered them around in the hope they might do this. So that could be from ones I planted. Nice. Keeping that for ticks. Tick, tick, ticks, fat ticks. See, up here is, plenty of light. But I don't have my walking stick with me. And it's a fucking steep drop down there. A little bit further. A little bit further. Just a little bit. Okay, we're getting a bit too brashy up here. This is where I'm more likely to get ticks, because I like to make the traps in between the stems. Yeah, I can't ask any further because it's never ending. Although, if I go up there and then cut across and come back down that way. No! Don't go any higher up, fucking idiots! You get smashed up legs and kneecaps. Ooh, no. Don't listen to what I say, do what you say. Alright, fuck it, that's it, I'm done. Ooh, that's a cold wind. That is nice. Right. On to this now. Okay. Bye bye. Bye.